Hi everyone. I went to Dollar Tree a couple days ago and I didn't get much in the Crafty area, but I did get a few things. So let me just show you. I mostly went there because I wanted some poinsettia sprigs, a red one, and they had white ones, so I got one of each and I put them in the vases at my parents' at the cemetery. So anyway, they're not buried there, cremated, but they both have little vases on their niche. That's what they're called. I was looking for the right word. So I found these heart dies. They had the leaf ones, I think it was, again, but I already think I have those. But I got these cute little hearts. There's a 3. You do have to cut them apart or twist them off, but at least they put a little flat thing there so you can get a hold of it with a pliers or something and twist. So I appreciate that. But for $1.25, I thought, why not? And then I never saw this there before. They have tulle, 3 yards by 6 inches. So I did get that. It has sort of a meshy look to it. Does tulle look like that? I don't know. Maybe I'm used to seeing sparkly stuff, but I don't think I have much tulle. And I like the pale pink, and it's the only color I saw, so I was thankful for that. So I got that. And then the other things are ribbons, and this one is a repeat. This is my favorite Dollar Tree ribbon. I just like the vintagey feel to it and everything, so I got that. And then they had some other colors of twine, but I already have a lot of colors, but I didn't have brown and white, which I thought also would be kind of a vintagey look to it, so I got that. And the last 2 things are, now this I actually wasn't looking for, but I did remember when I saw them that somebody else had hauled them, and I thought at the time, how cute will that be? I have some, stamps and things that are bees, but I can make projects with the honeycomb and this ribbon. And it says, happy, amazing, true. I think that's all it says. So, I can't read what this one says. It looks like maybe peace. I don't know. That one's right on the seam, so unfortunately I can't read it. I don't know if it shows up later in the ribbon or not, or if it's always on the seam, but it has edging. The edging, I mean. Let's open it and see. I just thought these were really cute for spring, summer, Now that said, I don't like real bees too much. I'm afraid of them. My mother was really allergic to them. Yeah, it's a shame because that one is always the one word that's covered. It doesn't like come up into the other part. I think it says brave, actually, not peace. Brave. Yeah, you need to be brave to be around bees. True. That's true. Be happy and you're amazing, which just says amazing. So really cute, which I could use as a border on cards even, or on index cards or ATCs, just a section of it would be cute. Along with this, I think this is the same feel to it. For $1.25, how much do you get? You get 9 feet. I think that'll be plenty for this theme, bee theme, right? Oh my goodness. And the yellow is, it's bright and cheery, which about mid-winter I'm gonna need bright and cheery stuff. So it's sort of it's not a super bright yellow, it's more like a goldenrod yellow. I mean, it looks really bright there. I guess it's bright, but it's not like neon bright, I guess is what I'm saying. These are more like goldenrod yellow, and then the trim though is yellow. And then this, so I thought they'd be cute together. Could even, if I dared to get my sewing machine out of the basement, I could stitch them together and have layers or something. Really cute. Or if you want to do a bead journal, they'd be cute in a journal. I don't do that very often, so yeah. That's it. That's my amazing finds at Dollar Tree. I did get some, I found this they're like gloves you put on, and they're supposed to help your hands and nails because my skin is really dry, and my nails they're usually bad, but they're really bad now. They're like breaking and chipping and peeling and everything. Everything bad is happening to my nails, and it just seems like in the last 3 or 4 weeks they've gotten super bad. So anyway, I bought these gloves and I thought I'd give them a try. Like, you leave them on for a while and then take them off and rub the extra lotion in. So I'm going to try them and see what I think. And I got some other hand lotion stuff, and besides the 2 sprays for the cemetery, and then I think the rest of it was snacky stuff. We love the Munch Rights sour cream and onion. They're like cheese puffs, but they're not cheese. They're really good. They're addictive, and I noticed my son ate a whole bag of them last night. Because I had 2, one in our pantry and one out on the cupboard already, and he must not have seen that one because he got the one out of the pantry. Anyway, those and some cornbread muffins, which I'd never seen there. We don't eat them often, but I like them with chili, and I've been thinking about making some chili because it's getting colder. And I think I got one other snack, but I can't remember. It might have been veggie straws or something like that. I don't remember. Anyway, that's about it.